Now coming up here at 51 kilos, 112 and a quarter, will be Jen Haley of Canada in the red, Whitney Condor of the Gator Wrestling Club in the blue. Condor, world teamer this past year, is a 2007 junior world champion. Jen Haley, 23, as is Whitney Condor. Condor out of Puyallup, Washington, a resident athlete here at the Olympic Training Center. Reppin Gator in the blue. Jen Haley, again 23 years old, was the World University Games champion in 2011. Has a number of international placements. Condor won the Junior Worlds back in 2007. Won the U.S. Open in 2011 as well, did Condor. Second last year, Schultz. So no score, 45 seconds into period number 1. And Vicki Anthony of the United States going to get a victory over on mat 3 to take third at 48 kilos. That's beating the Olympic champ in the process. Shot by Condor, countered by a front headlock with Haley, who looked to reach underneath with that little, almost a dresser dump type of situation. Now working the front head. Condor now dragging Haley's arm down to the mat. And nothing doing. We'll bring him back up to our feet. 44 to go, no score here in period 1. At 51 kilos. Jen Haley beat Babita Kumari of India in the semifinals, while Condor defeated Canadian Vanessa Brown 106-0. Just 8 at the weight here. A little sweep. Trying to work up now with the leg is Haley. Gets behind. Whizzer still in for Condor. Haley now doubling off. Nothing doing, no point. So we seem destined to go, and Lee Veerling wants to throw the challenge brick. So we will do that real quick. So hang tight, folks. We'll mute the audio and bring you back here in a second. And we've had our review. So now here's the cadence. 1 point red. And so the period will go to Haley after scoring that point. Challenge brick will go back to Canada. Good challenge by Coach Lee Veerling. That was very, very close call, but they looked at it and decided that one was scored, even though Condor did step over and actually defended position very well, but I guess their control and the supporting points were there in time. So now here we go with period number 2. Haley leading 1 period to none over 23-year-old Whitney Condor, world teamer for the United States. Again, like Lampe, started her career at Northern Michigan before now going full-time at the Olympic Training Center. An aspiring firefighter is Condor. And a huge fan of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That is not listed on her bio, yet we know that. .45 gone by here in period number 2 between Haley of Canada and Condor. A lot of head fakes, hand fighting there between the two. Again, you're seeing the Olympic weights loaded up, obviously, because it's an Olympic year, which would explain the fewer entries at 51. Condor has gone down to 48 and will probably do so to try to make the Olympic team. Olympic team trials coming up in April 21-22 at Carver Hawkeye Arena. More information on that at iowacity2london.com. Right now, no score, 30 to go in period 2. And we seem destined to go to the leg clinch in the first period before that challenge by Canada, which gave Haley the point. And we will go to the bag. And this is where you cue your dramatic music. So there are 2 red and 2 blue in the bag. Haley reaches in, grabs a color, hands it to the official. They will now take it out of the bag, and it will be red. Therefore, Haley will have her choice of leg to finish the position and try to score in this 30-second extra frame. And we got a little bit of a false start here. Attention red. Is it going to be an attention? Attention red. Haley with the leg, doubles off. Condor trying to hip out of it. And there's the one, the supporting point. And that'll do it. So Jen Haley will take a 1-0, 1-0 victory. Condor looking a little confused, thinking she won the first, but Condor confused. Talking to Izzy, and the winner will be Jen Haley here at 51.